Did you know that healthy soil contains more organisms than there are people on Earth?
Wait, what?
Healthy soil is a living ecosystem. It contains bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and countless other organisms thriving just below our feet. Some people think soil is just dirt, but in fact, it's one of our most valuable resources. Healthy soil is central to food and nutrition security, but also ecosystem restoration, climate action, and biodiversity conservation. In fact, healthy soil makes landscapes more resilient to climate impacts. This limits the soil's ability to provide critical ecosystem services like filtering and purifying our water, providing nutritious food. Restoring degraded land starts with understanding and improving our soil. With the Land Degradation Surveillance Framework, we are combining field research with innovative laboratory methods to better understand the impacts of land management on soil health. We combine innovative tools like soil spectroscopy, machine learning, remote sensing to monitor restoration impacts on landscapes. Better soil information leads to better restoration decisions. Healthy landscapes start below our feet. By investing in healthy soil today, we can restore degraded land, strengthen livelihoods, and build a more resilient future for nature and people.